This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, Ismail. So we are going to start the presentation for your website. So here, this is Raj from IBDS. I'm the client manager. And then here, you just go ahead.
And my name is Tosin, the client manager.
Okay. Yeah. So we are going to start the presentation for your website. Yeah. So now you just start working. Yeah.
Okay, so here is the homepage of your site. Um, you can see on the side, you can see all the tabs. So if you were to click on the menu, you'd be able to view all of the services that you provide. So customers are able to see all the things that they can have access to. So if you were to scroll down on the site, it tells the customer how many years you've been doing renovation. It has a little description of what you guys are about, when you started, what you have to offer, and here is an image of basically a picture of a house that you renovated. So for before and after. Um, so technically this shows the customer that how the house was before and how it needed renovation and technically the finished work of your product. And beside it is the client review, and the client is able to give a testimony on based on the services you provided for them and the location of the service. Also, on top actually of the website, it says you can request a quote. So if a customer is interested and they are they want to know a quote for maybe for the living room or so forth for the house, they're able to contact you through the site. And technically, this is now the company's overview of what you guys have to offer and the availability requests. So customers are able to put their first name, last name, email, phone number, and message, and you will get an alert on your email in terms of what the customer requests for. And this is just technically a customer's testimonial of how satisfied they were with your services. And technically their experiences. And this is basically like a timeline of different areas of a home that you renovated: commercial renovation, bathroom renovation, home additions, kitchen renovation, basement renovations. So it shows a little and gives a little description of those services. And here we have at the end, it has your company's name. It has the social media platform that you have to offer. If you do have more, you can let us know. We'll input that into the site. And it has your contact information. If you'd like to add any additional information on there, you could just let us know. And here is the second website, second demo that we have for you. Here's a little bit more of the tab is on top this time, and the services you have to provide are on top with a background of images of home renovations and different areas of a house that customers will want to renovate. And there is a tab for the menu. It technically shows just additional information of the first services that are available on the site for the customer. And here is just technically another little timeline of the services you have to provide. So customers are able to click on it, and when they click on it, it has a little description with a picture of your services. And this is just additional information of the services you have to provide. And these are just images of different part of the home that are renovated by you, and or technically what a customer would want to renovate. And this is just technically get a quote. If the customer is interested, they're able to get a quote from you. And just like the first one, sorry, these are just general information about us, project testimonials, gift cards, if you um, offer it. So, and these are just additional information of um, how they can have contact with you. And the third one is just another demo of your company. So this shows on the tab on the side the menu, an image of a home where technically it shows an example of what you have to offer and what your business is about. And under the project, it has the two homes, technically a living room where you can renovate. And it has more images, about 3 images of what you have to offer in more a bigger wide frame. And this is just a general information about the company and what you do, and just more images of the same as the top image. And it just shows a different part of a home that you would want to offer service to. And just your general information. And the customer is able to go back up by just clicking the up button, and it goes all the way back to the top page. And last but not least, here is the final demo. Technically shows pictures of renovated homes and what you guys are capable of doing with your company's name in front of it, with the logo, and the menu option is right on the side there, on the left-hand side. You're able to see different services that customers can go through, and technically general information about the company. And here is just more a picture of a nice kitchen, of your services, how long have you guys been around when you did that project, and locations of projects that you've done with the images. And reasons why a customer should choose you. This technically shows a variety of different services that you have to offer, delivery time, guaranteed best service, and how long you've been around for, and contact information and consultation services available for them, and just general information that they can read more about the company. And at the bottom here, we have a photo gallery of different services you provided, so customers are able to click on it and view the images. And technically, this picture shows before and after pictures of different services that you provided. And at the bottom, here is a testimonial of different customers that you've worked with and their satisfaction. And last but not least, at the bottom, it says gives you the information of your business and how to get to your location, and general more information of your social media, contact, email, and so forth. And also, so we created a search engine for you where customers are able to, so yeah, so back to the top, so I'll just list everything we've discussed so far. So the homepage design selection was what I just went through. Development WordPress platform. So technically we'll use WordPress to create your site and to create all the pages that you require. And underneath it shows how we would list and correct the information based on the information you've given to us, based on your mission, your values, what you can offer. And you can also edit it yourself. It's a very easy tool to use. And later down the line, if you feel like you want to change anything within the company that changes, maybe the year or the location, you're able to do that yourself. Then we have now the SEO. So it technically means that when you go on Google, so customers are able to Google you to related words that relates to your company. Like for example, office renovation, Bradford, Ontario, commercial renovation ideas. So once a customer puts that information on there, they're able to technically Google will show up your company, like the first three companies. So you would be on one of those lists, and the customer is able to have access to your website. And there we go. That's the image right. That's the link right there, based on the search words that we use. So it's a very good way for customers to contact you, to get in contact with you, to find you very, very easy and efficient. And here also is technically words that you can use if you want to change the SEO words for maybe you feel like customers are not really clicking on your site a lot, or the words that we put in for you is not being effective. You're able to choose the words yourself through keywords here that maybe customers are looking for, and you can just click on the checkbox of each one, or maybe a few of them, and it will come up on the search, and you're able to add it to your SEO. And that's just Raj showing you how to input it to the SEO title, and that automatically shows on Google. And you just have to, after you're done, you just have to click update, and everything updates on any changes that you made, any mistakes that you fixed, or in terms of changing address or anything, technically any edit that you make, you're able to update it, and then it will automatically change. So, and then we have the review.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think we are going to end this meeting. So yeah, Tosin. So this is a process, and then we can able to present the client. So if he just interested, we just go from there.
Okay. So was that good or?
Yeah. Hold on.